Everyone, it's the 25th of January. It is a balmy 70 degrees, 75 degrees here in Savannah, and it's blowing about 15 knots. We are officially 6 weeks away from the early spring foiling rally here at the Yacht Club. And I thought I'd just go over some things about the grounds. People have asked about the facilities. Right behind me is the sail loft. This is basically going to be our headquarters for the 4 or 5 days. This grass right here is where most people camp out. You can see there's parking spots right here next to the sail loft, and there are outlets hidden on the outside of the building right here. So if anyone wants to plug in, I've seen really nice setups at regattas where people come and if they've got a camper van, they'll just park in one of these spots right here, and the van opens up right to the grass. It's a nice, lovely area. I'll head up here to the building itself. You've got men's and women's heads right here. They each have 2 shower stalls. Very nice, very clean, very hot water, good pressure. I've used them many times. They're nice for what it's worth. I don't think this is open right now, but essentially this room right here is going to be our headquarters. You feel free to stow gear there overnight. It'll be just fine. Here's a lovely deck where you can look out on the water. Just beyond the hoist there, you can see the floating dock from which we're going to be launching. And of course there's a bar in there too, which is very convenient. This is where we're going to park our boats, this grassy area. I don't think the tent's going to be there. And of course you can leave your boat rigged. There's mine ready to go because, yeah, we got wind here right now. And then we got more grassy area right here. These tables and chairs probably won't be there. There's a fire pit right on the bluff, right next to the water. We could set that up any evening we want. It's just a lovely setting. Right behind me is the main building. That's where we've got the speaker series with Dave speaking the first evening, Thursday night. There's a bar there. There's a restaurant in there. There's another bar on the other side, and on the other side of that is a swimming pool. So good facilities here. Really looking forward to having you guys here. I'm talking way too long. I want to go foiling.